we're looking at today for the bathroom accessories that you have here. It's a very nicely packed unit. A little quick guide that you get. Everything's wrapped up. You get all the anchors and hardware that you need to set things up. Now, if you have a new bathroom or remodeling, and we're going to show you this hanging up on a wall and what they all look like. There's like double the product here. His and hers bathroom, 2 towel holders, 4 little towel holders, 2 bathroom toilet paper tree holders, and 2 large bath towel shower holders. Now they have Allen keys that they give you that takes off this piece that has the base on here. And we're going to lock this down on the wall and show you what it looks like. There are 2 methods of putting this on. Glue, the proper glue, and you're going to be there all day holding it, or screwing on. Each piece has an Allen grub screw. You loosen up. Inside here, this will come off and out. Repeat for all the parts. The hardest part here is putting the towel bar as evenly as possible you want. You're going to take your towel bar, you're going to place on. You're going to look for the measurements right here. You're going to place on. And then when you place on together, that looks good, nice and level, just like that, perfect. Tighten down. This is a 10-piece set, hooked up. You make a decision if this is right for you. His and her bathroom. 2 bathrooms, a very large bathroom indeed. These are the 5 pieces only. You have here is the towel. You got the 2 pieces hooked up down below, and your toilet paper and a large towel area. The towel bar, the hanging towel, the toilet paper, the 2 small hooks. Gluing or screwing, your choice, your option. I hope you're looking for something for the bathroom in silver, this type of color, that may be right for you.